whilst my toddler's sleeping, my plans are take this table off, paint it green, match the other side, and see these white, well they're cream railings. I'm going to unscore them and spray paint them silver. So one coat done. This is 2 coats. It's just such a beautiful colour. This is the big table. We'll do before and then after. And obviously I'm going to give these rails a good clean, and when they've come off the wall is a really good clean. Yuck. So when I replaced this, I also replaced it with nice shiny screws, because look, this is what they come out as, really rusty and horrible. Okay guys, so I'm super happy with this, which is finished now. Get that up. Love the colour. Love how it shimmers in the sunlight. It just looks really fresh. And then rather than going for a plain white on the walls, which you can see I've started doing, I'm using a warm taupe. Is that how you say it? I think it's nice. I think it like complements this green colour, and then the silver. I think the colour palette's on point. And maybe to warm it up, I mean the flooring's going to be wooden, again something quite warm. So I've started finishing the ceiling. I've only got one more little patch to do, and then behind me I've taped everything up ready to do this wall. My toddler's at nursery today, which means I will be able to get a little bit more done. I've been giving her a lot of love and some good old-fashioned nurturing, because she's going to be on holiday home for next year. We're going to spend so much time in this travelling the UK. Oh yeah, and I've joined a Facebook group especially for Esterel caravan owners. So I'm feeling the love today. Feeling the love, feeling positive, and just giving this girl a good old makeover. So in places I have been using the white tape, the white masking tape that we all know of, but look, you can't really leave it up for too long so it starts peeling. So from the groups that I'm on, this stuff was recommended. And it's so good. It sticks and you can leave it on all night, all day, doesn't peel off. So I got that from Amazon, and I feel like it's quite a big roll actually. It's lasted me quite a while. My advice is to tape everything. Well, this is taped, so I just put it all off. Tape all around the windows, tape everything. Nearly there, guys. Nearly there, just touch up really somewhere. I've got a few jobs I want to get done today, but I'm rushing and I've made a really horrible mistake, which I'm going to show you now. Yeah, so for a start, it was a new roller. For some reason, there's just lots of horrible bits everywhere. I just feel like it looks messy, it looks rubbish, it looks rushed. I don't know if, I mean, they're always going to be there, aren't there, those bits? I think I'm going to probably end up covering this as well, maybe with something. I just don't know what to do to it. I'm just a bit, like I wanted to take this out, repaint it or respray it, but I'm really having trouble getting the screws out and the nuts and bolts. So yeah, I'm not too happy with myself today. But I did put this table back in to see what the colour would look like, and it's absolutely gorgeous against the silver. And I found these draw pulls. At the moment, they're all mismatched, look. they're all kind of different. So I found these, I thought they were really lovely, and they were reduced to £3 in Home Sense. So that's different, that's ready to go. I put my shelves up. I just got these little inserts. They were 4, they came in a pack of 4 for about £2.99 somewhere. I've made this pole, but basically in my little outhouse I had loads of random poles, and they all kind of fit together, and I'm going to put some voile curtains there to kind of separate the table area. But anyway, this is what I'm excited about to tell you. I got this 15 pack of stick-on mirrors from Amazon. But how lovely are they? I mean, look at that. It just makes the caravan look much bigger. It was just something to put on the wall. Woo, there you go. You put it off. My next mission is to find a bulb to go in here, because this is the original light holder, light lampshade, and I just absolutely loved that. In the cupboards this morning, these go above the cooker. Do you know, I just thought I'd go for a nice white, and I think it really freshens it up compared to what the colour was before. Who knew a cupboard knob could bring you so much joy? Looks good.
Current situation today, we're all stuck at home with cold, so we're in the caravan, and Lydia is about to watch a DVD and snuggle whilst I figure out how to get up this awning. I haven't put it up yet. I got it with the caravan, and so far so good.
Before I put all the decor in tomorrow, just been touching up these little tables, because this is that chalk paint and it chips quite easily. There's just a few little marks and chips. I've just done the edges. Oh my gosh, I love it in here.